Presenting the 2011 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle.
A low odometer reading is a great benefit amongst many others with this vehicle.
With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included.
Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.